Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Would you like a cookie?
I'm sorry?
A cookie?
No.
Good. Do this out.
Hold on, let me get my seatbelt on. Jeez. Oh. How long you been doing Ubering for?
About 3 months.
Nice. Man, I'm parched.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
Oh, thanks, man.
That's all.
You know, you're like the Swiss Army knife of Uber drivers I've ever had.
I know.
Hey, man, I'm hungry. You got anything in here?
Oh, yeah, some food in the glove compartment.
You serious?
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Oh, I gotta pull over.
What? We're in the. Why?
Gotta check on something.
Oh my God. Hey, man, is everything all right? What is he doing? What's he? What the fuck is he? What is he?
Hot dogs? Hot dogs are dead.
What? What the heck? All right.